Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important and basic Java interview question. Can you make an instance of an abstract class? No, you cannot make an object of an abstract class. An abstract class has to be subclassed. If you have an abstract class and you want to use a method which has been implemented, you may need to subclass that abstract class. Instantiate your child class and then call that method. Say I have an abstract class, okay, there are some methods, normal methods, and there are some abstract methods. That means I'm going to force a child class to give code for this method, and this is my child class which is giving the code for this abstract method. So if you want to use these methods, then you have to create an object of this class, not the abstract class. If you try to create an object of abstract class, you will be getting a compilation error. Cannot instantiate the type abstract class. What exactly it means? Why the compiler is not allowing you to create an instance? Let's see an example. I have a shape class, and I have a square class and circle. These are the subtypes. These are the child classes. In the real world, there is no such object called shape exist. You can't see a shape object. It's just an idea, or it's a type. So the common behaviors of square and circle are captured in the base class, that is shape. It's just an idea, it just captured it, and there is no real object in the world exist. And the specific behaviors are moved to the child classes. The common behaviors are moved to shape, the base class, and it is the specific behaviors are moved to the specific classes. That's why we are not able to create an object of the abstract class, whereas for subclasses we can create and use the methods which is in the base class. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.